Hi friends, I'm Lika. Today I'm going to show you few fun science experiments. I've taken a bottle and I'm going to put hot water in it. Hot water. Now I'm going to close it like this. Now I'm going to put the water back to the jug and I'm going to put this on like this. Now I've spilled the water into the jug and I've closed the cap, and now I'm going to put it inside the cool water. You can see water coming in. You see the water is coming inside the bottle. First the bottle was empty. Now it is filled with little water. Now I'm going to tell you how it happened. When I take the plastic bottle and fill hot water in it, half was air and half was water. It gets expanded, and when I close the cap and put it in the ice cube water, it gets cools and it gets contracted and making space for the water to come in. Thank you. So let's move on to our second experiment. I'm going to take little water and I'm going to put it in the plate. Now I'm going to take a tissue and I'm going to put it on the water. The water gets absorbed to the tissue. Now I'm going to light the candle. I'm going to take my mother's help for this. Now my mom has lighted the candle for me. Now I'm going to take a glass and put it over the candle. Now I'm going to lift it. You can see the plate is coming with the glass. Now I'm going to tell you how this happened. When I light the candle and put the glass on it, it has air, it gets heated up and expands. When I press it tightly, there will be no space for the air to come out, so it creates pressure and it makes the plate to hold it tightly. Thank you. So let's move on to our third experiment. I'm going to take a balloon and I'm going to put some baking soda in it. Now I've put baking soda in the balloon. Now I'm going to take some vinegar and put it inside the empty bottle. Now I've put some vinegar in the empty bottle. Now I'm going to take the balloon and put it like here. Now I've put the balloon like this. Now I'm going to take it like this. See what happens. You see the balloon is blowing. Now I'm going to tell you how this happened. When I mix the baking soda and the vinegar, it creates chemical reaction and it fills some gas in the bottle which gets filled in the balloon. Thank you for watching.